Hey YouTubers, this is Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. I have a customer who bought a Honda and a couple years ago I think, and then he called me and he said, hey, I can't get it to idle right. So we said, well, try this, try that. We got my mechanic on the phone and didn't work. And so he brought it by and I brought it to my mechanic and we were able to get it dialed in and it runs fabulous. I mean, really nice. But he also put these wheels and tires on, and I don't know if he got these from us. It looks like something that we would sell, but he may very well have gotten them somewhere else. But look at what he did. He put that nice little speaker box in there. I'd say that's probably Bluetooth. He put a Sony radio with his iPhone charger, and I don't know what that is, but it's pretty cool. It looks good. It looks good. But then I drove it and I said, what is up? This thing drives so nice. I mean, I wanted to test drive it myself, and I was going down the road, and now I see why it drives so nice. See that there's bushings there, and it doesn't look like you replaced the tie rods, but the bushings probably help some, but the tires make a big difference. And this little thing handles nice. Now I know we're talking about a mini truck, but it does, it handles pretty nice. So now I'm gonna go up that steep hill and let's see what it's got. So it idles very nicely. Good temperature. Let's drive it and let's see what it's like. All right, here we go. Third gear. Oh, he tinted his windows. So here we go. So we're climbing handily up this hill, and now we're going to go into fifth gear. And we're going to see what it does. Now these wheels are larger diameter, so now we're going 30 kilometers per hour, just a hair above 30. And now we're going up this steep hill at 30 kilometers per hour in fifth gear. And I will say it's doing quite well. What I mean is it's accelerating out of that very difficult set of circumstances. So that is very, very nice. Alan, I think you're gonna be quite happy with the result. And now we did have to pull the carburetor several times, replace the cap in the rotor, work on the carburetor, blah, blah, blah. And it cost him, $500 or $530 or $560. And I had to go drop it off and pick it up. I charged $50 to bring it to my mechanic and $50 to go pick it up. So the actual repair was $460. So that's not a little bit of money. That's a lot of money. I will definitely concede. But there was a lot of work involved in doing that. But I'm very happy with the result. And I hope, Alan, when you come pick up your truck, you'll be happy with it. And before it wasn't idling well. Now it is definitely purring like a kitten. All right, see you guys.